Man, if I could only explain to you how crazy my family is. If you can remember back to the Crazy Stoners video with my cousin Jay, well, she's in town, Aunt Nene's in town, there's a Buddy Guy concert, we've been going all over the place. I have not had a chance to sit down and upload any videos. I made some videos, but they sucked, so I can totally sympathize with Jin Love, who, by the way, messaged me, and I am nominated to be a YouTube non-star. I'm gonna be a YouTube non-star. I'm gonna be a YouTube non-star. I'm gonna be a YouTube non-star. Yeah! So we've been partying and all that shit. I don't know what colors you're seeing, but it's not orange outside.
I know, it's red and blue and green and more green.
What about our smoking problem, JD?
We got a bad smoking problem.
Yeah, we do.
We need to stop smoking. Look at our ashtray full of cigarettes. That's gross.
This is disgusting.
This
disgusts me.
Bueno.
This
No
America
mucho grande.
is not working.
No mucho grande.
Okay, the computer says that our arguments
Invalid.
are invalid.
We don't know what the hell that means. Everybody please stand by. JD is in a train of thought.
I see a dribble of sweat. Because that's the first word we're ever taught, is A is for apple.
We need to get some money. How could Shobit and JD get some money? I'm telling you, all we gotta do is just go get Megan and put her in a hoochie skirt and the low-cut shirt and put her on the corner and we'll make $45 right then and there.
We need money. We need money. Yeah, so like if you want to see us do something crazy, we're the right people to ask.
I woke to the world one morning. I did not really know what was going on. I didn't care about tomorrow. I worry when tomorrow comes. I went outside that night, set the old imagination aflight, set the imagination afire. For 1 second I felt like a kid on Christmas Day. The feeling stops all if I said in a word. I will explain it if I may. Climbed up a tree that night. I sat up in the branches and I felt like a bird. It was the best feeling in the world. I felt so good that night, and my soul just seemed to fly around that night. As I flew that night, second